equal 5 gram. The answer is C. As cross multiplication, 100 milli. So 500 milli by cross multiplication will give us this answer. Oral medication is used to treat hyperthyroidism. Levothyroxine, propylthiouracil, metformin, or atorvastatin. The right answer is propylthiouracil. Its abbreviation is PTU, which is used to manage hyperthyroidism by inhibiting thyroid hormone synthesis and peripheral conversion of T4 to the more active T3. Make it an effective treatment of conditions like Graves' disease. Cardiovascular question. Psoriasis by reducing the rapid turnover skin cells and suppressing the immune response. Hematology questions.